A third area in a community of care is mental health first aid training. This is an 8-hour course that teaches participants how to assist someone experiencing a mental health crisis. The training helps people identify, understand, and respond to the signs and symptoms of mental illnesses. Just as CPR training helps a person with no clinical training assist an individual following a heart attack, mental health first aid training prepares participants to assist someone who might be experiencing depression, substance use disorders, or symptoms of psychosis. The stigma often associated with mental health challenges decreases as people shift their beliefs and attitudes. Mental health first aid training builds an understanding of the impact of illnesses on individuals and families, and teaches evidence-supported treatment and self-help strategies. Anyone can take this course, learn the signs, and become a lifeline.
We've all lived in areas where we see people walking on the streets in Santa Fe, downtown. I was a police officer out there, so I know. And we walk around them, something like that. But what people don't really realize is there are underlying issues with this individual. And I'll be honest with you, until I took this class, I was one of those people. It totally opened me up to another perspective on what mental health is.
The way that the mental health first aid training has been delivered has been a huge eye-opener for the staff that are working. And these are staff like myself who've been working with kids and families for years and years and years. We do it. We don't do it consciously all the time, and we don't do it in a vindictive way. But we naturally attach stigmas to certain behaviors. I think that mental health first aid has been huge in recognizing certain behaviors and being able to think ahead and maybe minimize some of the behaviors that might come up that are going to be problematic, and maybe put some supports in place sort of as preventative maintenance for that particular youth and family before something happens.
Learn more about how New Mexico communities of care can transform your community.